ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാനിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെയാണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ ഓപ്ഷനും നമുക്ക് എക്സാമിന് ചെന്നിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കൺഫ്യൂസ് ആവാൻ പാടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ മാക്സിമം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, നമ്മുടെ നോളജ് ഒന്ന് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇന്നത്തെ ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഡയറക്റ്റ് റേഞ്ചിങ് ഈസ് പോസിബിൾ ഓൺലി വെൻ ദ സ്റ്റേഷൻസ് ആർ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് നോട്ട് വിസിബിൾ, വിസിബിൾ, ഇന്റർചേഞ്ചബിൾ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദ എബവ്. ആൻസർ option B, visible. Direct ranging is possible only when the stations are visible. The usual proportion of cement concrete adopted for RCC roof slab is options 1:60:12, 1:2:4, 1:5:10, 1:4:8. Answer option B, 1:2:4. Sloping member which support the steps in a stair is option string, rise, soffit, riser. Answer option A, string. Sloping member which supports the steps in a stair is string. Seepage in earth dam is prevented by constructing a core is called options bed concrete, base concrete, puddles, gravel. Answer option C, puddles. 1 square kilometers of hectare is, and options 100, 10, 1000, 10,000. Answer option A, 100. 1 square kilometer of hectares is, answer option A, 100. The instrument used for enlarging or reducing the figure is options planimeter, pantograph, clenograph, clinometer. Answer option B, pantograph. SI unit of pressure is options ohm, joule, pascal, kilogram per centimeter square. Answer option C, Pascal. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The property of the virtue of which a metal can be beaten into plates is called options malleability, resilience, ductility, plasticity. Answer option A, malleability. Property of virtue of which a metal can be beaten into plates is called, answer option A, malleability. A 10-side polygon is option octagon, decagon, pentagon, hexagon. Answer option B, decagon. 10-side polygon is, answer decagon. A stone laying on the top of a roof has options kinetic energy, mechanical energy, potential energy, electrical energy. Answer option C, potential energy. The end support of a bridge is options arcade, pier, springer, abutment. Answer option D, abutment. If a member is subjected to an axial tensile load, the plane normal to the axis of loading carries options maximum normal stress, maximum shear stress, minimum normal stress, minimum shear stress. Answer option A, maximum normal stress. In a simply supported beam of span L, carries a point load W at the center of a beam, the shear force diagram will be options: two equal and opposite triangle, rectangle, triangle, two equal and opposite rectangle. Answer option D, two equal and opposite rectangle. In a prism square of angle between the reflecting face, options: 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree. Answer option A, 45 degree. Le Chatelier apparatus is used to options: fineness test, strength test, soundness test, consistency test. Answer option C, soundness test. The most accurate instrument for measuring the horizontal and vertical angle is options: dumbbell level, compass, engineer's level, theodolite. Answer option D, theodolite. When a fast moving vehicle negotiates with a curve of force act on it. Options: moving force, frictional force, centrifugal force, all of the above. Answer option C, centrifugal force. Rankine's formula is options: W by P into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta the whole square, W by P into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta the whole square, P by W into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta the whole square, P by W into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta the whole square. Answer option C. Rankine's formula is P by W into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta the whole square. The masonry work unfinished in a day is ended stepped manner. Options: backing, raking back, facing, toothing. Answer option B, raking back. The vertical members of a timbering directly resist the pressure from the side of a trench is options: sheathing, bracing, strut, cleat. Answer option A, sheathing. External corner of a wall is options: squint junction, cross junction, quoins. Answer option D, quoin. External corner of a wall is answer option D, quoin. Horizontal member of a scaffolding is called options: standards, putlocks, ledgers, braces. Answer option C, ledgers. Horizontal member of a scaffolding is called answer ledger. Cangur is impure limestone of options: metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary, all of the above. Answer option C, sedimentary. Cangur is impure limestone of sedimentary. The formation of soap patches on the painted surface is termed as options: sagging, running, saponification, flashing. Answer option C, saponification. Additional vertical member is used to divide the shutter frame in the panels of a door is called answer option A, mullion. Additional vertical member used to divide the shutter frame in the panels of door is called answer mullion. A small opening provided over a door or window is called. Options: fan light, lantern light, skylight, north light. Answer: option A, fan light. A small opening provided over a door or window is called. Answer: fan light. Formwork should be removes the beam by using ordinary Portland cement is after. Options: 28 days, 8 days, 14 days, 1 day. Answer: option A, 28 days. Line joining the places of equal declination are called. Options: parallel lines, isogonic lines, perpendicular lines, declination. Answer: option B, isogonic lines. The line joining the places of equal declination are known as answer isogonic lines. Sensitiveness is also designated by the level tube is. Options: radius of the staff, radius of the level, radius of curvature, all of the above. Answer: option C, radius of curvature. Sensitiveness is also designated by the level 2 piece. Answer: radius of curvature. The window provided at the gable end of a pitched roof is. Options: corner, bay, dormer, gable. Answer: option D, gable. Window provided at the gable end of the pitched roof is gable. The scale used to measure 3 units is. Options: plane, comparative, diagonal, vernier. Answer: option C, diagonal. Scale used to measure 3 units is. Answer: diagonal. The highest point on the road surface is. Options: super elevation, gradient, camber, crown. Answer: option D, crown. The highest point on the road surface is. Answer: crown. What is the maximum bearing capacity of a black cotton soil? Options: 10 ton per m square, 15 ton per m square, 165 ton per m square, 45 ton per m square. Answer: option B, 15 ton per m square. The maximum bearing capacity of black cotton soil is 15 ton per m square. The back slope of abutment of in bridge is. Options: 1:1 to 1:2, 1:3 to 1:2, 1:3 to 1:3, 1:2 to 1:1. Answer: option B, 1:3 to 1:2. What is the pH value of pure water is? Options: 10, 7, 12, 9. Answer: option B, 7. pH value of pure water is 7. Unit of strain is. Options: Newton per meter square, kilonewton, Newton per mm square, unitless. Answer: option D, unitless. Unit of strain is unitless. Fall trap is also known as Nahani trap, gully trap, intercepting trap, grease trap. Answer: option A, Nahani trap. Expand ERH. Options: effective runoff hydrograph, effective rainfall hydrograph, effective region hydrograph, effective reservoir hydrograph. Answer: Option B, effective rainfall hydrograph. Next, Wendway means. Options: a culvert with a total length 1 meter, a culvert with total length greater than 5 meter, a culvert with total length less than 1 meter, a culvert with total length less than 5 meter. Answer: option C, a culvert with total length less than 1 meter. A milling machine is used. Options: originating a hole in the jaw, for cutting wooden pieces, for removing metals from the jaw, for making joints. Answer: option C, for removing metals from the jaw. Next, the force of resistance per unit area offered by a body against deformation is known as. Options: strain, friction, stress, none of the above. Answer: option C, stress. Forces of resistance per unit area offered by a body against the deformation is known as. Answer: stress. The safe permissible load on ordinary brickwork in centimeter. Options: 44 to 65, 14, 44 to 55, 88. Answer: option A, 44 to 65. The safe permissible load on the ordinary brickwork in centimeter is 44 to 65. The minimum floor areas of pantry is 5.5 meter square, 4.5 m square, 5 m square, 5.4 m square. Answer: option B, 4.5 m square. Minimum floor areas of pantry is. Answer: 4.5 m square. The WCB and RB of a line differ by an angle of. Options: 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 180 degree. Answer: option B, 90 degree. WCB and RB of a line differ by an angle of 90 degree. A depression provided on the top of a brick is. Options: frog, closer, crock, beveled crosser. Answer: option A, frog. Depression provided on the top of the brick is frog. The bending moment on the section is maximum where shearing force is. Options: equal, minimum, changing sign, maximum. Answer: option C, changing sign. Permissible error in the prismatic compass survey is. Option: 1 in 310, 1 in 340, 1 in 320, 1 in 390. Answer: option B, 1 in 340. The permissible error in prismatic compass survey is 1 in 340. Every cross section of a shaft which is subjected to a twisting moment is under. Options: tensile stress, compressive stress, shear stress, bending stress. Answer: option C, shear stress. Last question. A short column of a rectangular section carries a point load W acting within an eccentricity E. The shape of kernel area will be. Options: rhombus, circle, square, rectangle. Answer: option A, rhombus. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. ബാക്കി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.